Hey everybody, Shabo here. I'm back from another video, and today I'll be showing you how to teleport players to other games in Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Explorer and Properties. So what you want to do is select View at the top, and then select Properties and Explorer. It should appear on the screen. Now we're going to insert our script. So we're going to go to Explorer, Server Script Service, Insert Object, and then insert a script. Next, we're going to want to get the game that we want to teleport them to. For this one, I'm going to use Asset Manager. You want to go to Places, right-click in this empty space, and then press Add New Place. And it should pop up. Then once you do that, you want to right-click it, copy ID to clipboard, go back to your script by clicking this button, and then we're going to delete this. And then we're going to set the ID that we just copied as a variable. So local game ID equals, and then you can press Ctrl V to paste it, or you can right-click and paste, and it'll be right there. If you want to teleport them to an entirely different game, then you're going to want to go to the game page. The game page should look like this, and then you're going to want to go to the link at the top, double click the ID here, and then copy or Control C. Also check out my game, link in the description below, and then you would paste it in. But for this one, I'm going to use this place. Next, we're going to set our variable for teleport service. So local teleport service equals game get service teleport service. This just gets the service. And then next, we're going to need to find a way to teleport them. For this one, I'm going to make it teleport them when they send a certain message in chat. So local players equals game get service players. And then players.player added connect function player. This sets the variable for the player. Then next, we're going to detect when they chat. So player.chatted connect function message. So this will be the message they sent. And then I'm just going to put if message equals teleport. Then if you're going to do it like this, then string.lower message. So it'll force all of their message to be in lowercase. So even if they capitalize some of it, it'll still teleport them. And then next we're going to teleport them. So we're going to do local result equals teleport service, teleport async, and then game ID, because this is the first argument, and then the players that we want to teleport. Since we're only teleporting one, we can just do this. You want to put it inside of this because it only accepts tables. For if you wanted to, for example, teleport everyone in the game, then players get players, and then you would remove this because it's already a table, and that will work too and teleport all of them. But for this, we only want to teleport the player that said it. We're going to keep this, and then it should be working. And note, you cannot teleport in Studio. So if you press play and then try to teleport, I'm going to type teleport in chat. We get an output in the error saying teleport failed because cannot teleport in Roblox Studio. You cannot teleport to other games in Studio, but it will work in an actual game. Now let's say that you had it like this, and you want to teleport them to this. Let's say it was like a tower defense game. And then, since you want to teleport them to a new server, then nobody else can join, because that's how teleporting works to tower defense type games. We're going to make a teleport option variable. So local options equals teleport options. So instance.new teleport options. This makes some new options. And then put options dot should reserve server equals true. So this will reserve a server, which means that it'll teleport them to a completely new one. It's basically just a private server. And then you just put options at the end, and boom, it'll teleport them to a new server. And that's how you teleport players to other games in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch the subscribe button. Peace. And make sure to check out my game in the description below.